Did you know that every year millions of birds travel thousands of miles each way? Some species fly up to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. But why do they do this? Well, it's all about survival. As the weather starts to cool in the northern hemisphere, birds need to head south for warmer climates. This journey can take weeks or even months, and the birds will fly up to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. But how do they know where to go? Well, it's in their DNA. The birds have an internal compass that helps them navigate, and they use landmarks like mountains and rivers to help them stay on course. How far do they fly? Well, some birds fly over 4,000 miles each year. That's the equivalent of flying from New York to Paris and back again. And they do this non-stop. No rest for the weary bird. So next time you see a bird, remember that it might be on its way to a new home for the winter. And that's pretty amazing.